Hi, it's me Kai, and I'm gonna be talking about the jigsaw now. Yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna be making this shape of the jigsaw. Yeah, but if you're not using a jigsaw, say if you're using a circular saw, and if you're not using a jigsaw and this is open, like this isn't on the cover. Yeah, if you turn it on and I'm just pretend there's wood there and I'm using it. Yeah, and then my hand accidentally slips when that's on. Yeah, then my finger could start bleeding. So yeah, that's why you should always have this on. But there's no point having it on now because I'm using it anyway. Yeah, so I'm gonna do it now. Sorry, it wasn't. That's my triangle. Well, kind of a triangle. Because it's my first go, so it's really hard for me. So yeah, I'll keep in touch, and yeah, remember, always cover this. And always wear your safety goggles. Well yeah, I'll be keeping in touch. Well, bye.